Got a quick one for you today. Some pretty exciting news from Arrma. They're releasing a 3S version of the 1/8 scale Infraction. Previously, they'd only released the 3S version in the Vendetta, and then the Infraction was the Mega with the brushed motor and quite a few downgrades. This new Infraction is going to come in a couple of really cool colors. It's got this gold and black, and then this really cool teal and black. Both of these are kind of like a splash paint job. I think they look really good on the body. Before we get into the details, if you guys are interested in news, reviews, upgrades, and bashing, why don't you go ahead and get subscribed to this channel, because we've got a lot more of that stuff coming up. Looking at the details of this, the drivetrain is very similar to the Vendetta. We've got the Spectrum 3S system that's basically the same as the ones that are in all the 3S Arrma line. We've got the Hoons 11's tires, front and rear sway bars. We've got the same modular drive system with a slipper clutch that's in the rest of the 3S system. One other nice upgrade on the Infraction besides the motor and ESC is going to be the radio. This has the DX3 radio and the SR6200 with ABC receiver that comes with the Vendetta as well. Beyond that, not a lot of changes being made here, nothing really surprising. This is essentially going to be the Vendetta chassis with the Infraction Mega body on it with some different colors. Price is going to be the same as the Vendetta, $399. This thing is available for pre-order right now, so if you want to go ahead and get you one of these, jump over to Horizon or wherever you want and pick one up. I think a lot of people are going to be excited about this because they've been doing these conversions already, so being able to get one that's already done with the Infraction body on it, I think is going to be appealing to a lot of people. What do you guys think? Are you going to pick one up? I'm really tempted to pre-order one myself. All right, guys, that's all we've got for this video. If you enjoyed it, drop a like, throw any comments or questions down there. I love hearing from you guys, and be sure to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.